I am so excited to introduce you to our Sweet Pea collection. Now, this has been done by the Knitwit collection. That is a company that does digital scrapbooking out of Canada. And we are just so happy to have these. So we're going to start with the papers. Now, however, these are 12 by 12 patterned cardstock. Yes, cardstock. So there is an insert, as is our custom, and there's a card and a scrapbook page there, but I'm going to show you these. But let me first show you the 12 papers. Well, I'm going to show you 6 of them because you're going to get 2 of every single one. As I said, it's 12 by 12, and you can see the Sweet Pea is absolutely the star of the show. So there's the first side, and there's the back side with an all-over pattern. Here we go with another one. Isn't that just, oh, so pretty? The back side is a check, pink check. This one has just that trellis in the background, butterflies, and the back side is this very pretty color. And then we have cutouts. Now there are 36 cutouts. Again, you get a sheet, 2 sheets of every single thing I'm showing you. And as you can see, they are just gorgeous. We've done something different this time. We have already matted them for you just to save you another step. Now, if the color works for you, just leave it. If it doesn't, just trim that off and you can mat it yourself. Now the back side of this is this one, so just really pretty. And I've got another. You can see the trellis on the right, and on the back side we have a stripe, and then one more, and there we go on the back side of that. How pretty is that? Yes. So again, you get 12 sheets. There are 2 of everything I've shown you. Now, when we went into our cardstock, so we're calling this patterned cardstock. Then we went into our, what we usually have is solid cardstock. We just quite frankly couldn't resist adding a couple of more patterns. So let me show you. I'm going to scoot that Sweet Pea over. And so again, you're going to get 12 sheets. You're going to get 2 of each one that I'm going to show you. We've got these diamonds on the soft pink. The nice thing about the all-over pattern in the cardstock is it's going to work with your 6 by 6 or your 12 by 12 pattern cardstock. So that just makes it nice. You've got the same design on both sides. So we've got a brighter pink and a softer pink, so that's going to work well. Then we have a brighter green, and you can kind of see why that's going to work so well. And then we have a softer green, which also coordinates. And then we have a black with white dots as our 6 sheet. So again, you're going, it's double-sided, you're going to get 2 of each one. Now, these are going to coordinate beautifully, and just to show you why or how, let me show you this scrapbook page. And this is, you can see that that piece was cut down a bit. It was matted on the dot. You can see the photos, you can see the cutout and the die cuts, and we've added some 49 Market flowers and our pink ribbon set with the baker's twine in it. How pretty is that? And here is another. In fact, let me scoot these over just so you can see this. We'll get in closer because the other pieces are a bit smaller, not too much, but a little bit. This is a slimline card, and as you can see, it just does beautifully, even with the 12 by 12 pattern cardstock. Works really nicely. And okay, now we're going to go to our 6 by 6. Now the 6 by 6 has the exact same papers, but let me show you. You're going to get actually 4 of each, so you end up with 24 6 by 6 double-sided cardstock, and you also have a total of 36 cutouts. So that's nice. So let me just show you these. This is that light pink. This is the other, and they do come like this. They are micro-perfed in the center. You just pull them apart, and they just pull apart very nicely. Did I just show you the 2 of the same thing? Yes, I did. And this one, you can see the cutouts, and somehow I'm missing a sheet. So I'll show that to you. It's the exact same one as the 12 by 12. This too has a project on the insert, and here's what that looks like. As you can see, just really scaled perfectly. This is a 5 by 6.5 inch card, works perfectly, so that's nice. Now, as is our custom, we are adding die cuts. There are 31 of them, And let me just show you again on the packaging. You're going to get a couple of ideas, but I'm going to show those to you. And as you can see, there they are. So we've got some things that are plain. They have room for you to add dazzles, to stamp, to do a mini cutting die. We have some that already have sentiments on them. Just like the cutouts, these are pre-matted for you just to make it easy. And they are just going to pop right out. So let me show you some projects using these. And here is one. How pretty is that? This is using the cardstock as well as the 6x6. And here is another, also using the die cuts and the 6x6 and the cardstock, all perfectly coordinated. Now we do have a chipboard because, you know, we just love chipboard. It's so versatile, just great. The price is really good, and that's nice. And here is a project using it. This too happens to be using all 3 of the 6x6 papers, and you can see that they took that trellis and inked it with some brown ink and then colored in the sweet peas and placed them, glued them on top. How really nice. And that's just added onto a circle. And the Hello Sunshine has been colored in green, so it just works nicely. And we have one more piece to this collection, and that is a cutting die. And this has 5 pieces. You can see it's 2 of the sweet peas, and then these extra pieces that can be die cut out and glued on top. In fact, let me just show you how that works. So the whole piece was cut out of green, that green cardstock, and then it was cut out again with just the individual pieces out of pink and just glued on top. It gives a little bit of dimension. The nice thing about sweet peas is these wonderful trellises or wonderful vines that they have, and how they just kind of entwine over each other. You can see how this is circling around that die cut and just making a really pretty collection. So we have in the Sweet Pea collection, everything works together. As you can see, starting with our 12 by 12 patterned cardstock, going to our 12 by 12 solid with a couple of dots added in, as well as our die cuts and the 6x6, which everyone seems to love, and the chipboard and the cutting die. Everything is together, everything matches, and you know what? Everything's in stock.